Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sai here, and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that bell to turn on post notifications every time I post a video. And if you're not new, welcome back. So as you can already tell by the title, I am doing a 1-month update of Fenty Skin and a demo review. Okay, so yes, like I said before, I've been using Fenty Skin for about a month now. When I first ordered it, I ordered the small travel size starter kit, and it was $40, and I still have the packaging. And it came in, when I first ordered it, it came inside a regular box like this, and you know, nothing fancy, but on the inside it said, like, you know, Fenty Skin, you see that, Fenty Skin, Fenty Beauty. And then it came inside these three little things here, and it came with the total cleanser, the fat water, and the hydrolyzer. So I had eventually ended up using all of that. Well, I ended up using all of the total cleanser first, and then I went back and bought the bigger sizes, and I got the all-in-one, and it came in this cute little box. It's not a PR box. This video is not sponsored. And it came kind of like the same thing, and it was all inside here like this. So the packaging it came in the second time was a lot better than it was for the first time. Okay, so I'll start with the sizes, the size differences between the starter kit and the regular size. So this is what the total cleanser looks like in the starter kit. This is what it looks like in the bigger size. So this is the difference between the two. My nails are blocking. These are the difference between the two size wise. They both still open and close like this, which I like, because when I was traveling and I had the stuff in my bag, I didn't have to worry about it squeezing out and getting all over the place, or, you know, the top being super messy and things like that. So that was a plus. So I like that they go like this, but this is a lot smaller than this. And I finished this in about 3 weeks or so. So it's small. There's a lot in here, but it is small and you will run out quickly. So the next thing size-wise is the fat water. I haven't opened this one yet because I'm still working on this one. So these are the size comparisons with these two. And then the size comparisons with the hydrolyzer, like this. The difference between these two packaging is this one has a top that comes on and off like this with a squeeze pump. And this one opens and closes like this. And you can actually take this out and refill, just buy the refill instead of buying the whole thing, which is very eco-friendly and things like that. And you don't have to keep worrying about buying a whole new thing. This is the only thing that comes with a refill, and this also comes in a refill. I got this one in the all-in-one. It did not come with the starter pack. So what this is the gel instant reset, and I didn't put this in my demo because you use this at night. So I mean, I can always make another video showing you guys how I use it at night, but this is what it looks like. I think it's, you know, super cute. And when you open it right here, it has this thing here, and you take it out. When I first opened it, I was like, what is this for? Like, I was going like this, like, is it for my eyes? But it's not. It's a scoop, actually. And it goes, can y'all see that? Yeah. So this is this, and then the scoop is to scoop the stuff out, put it in your hand, and do like that. So you have nails, or you don't want to dig and stuff like that. So I thought that was really cute. This retails by itself for $40, and the refill for this is $36, and I like it a lot. I use it every night since I bought it, and it's supposed to help remove dark spots as well as help your skin bounce back and have a soft glowy feel by the morning. the other products retail between $25 and $35, so it's not too cheap, not too expensive. And Fenty does have Afterpay as well. So what that is you can pay it in 4 installments. It'll divide up your total, and you can pay in 4 installments if you don't want to pay for it all right now, and then the installments are due every 2 weeks. So the total cleanser is what you use first, and I really like all their packaging. I know it's like a glare. Let me see. You can't see it. Okay, there we go. I really like all their packaging. I really like the super light, like lilac purple. I think it's really cute, if that's even the right color. Lilac, maybe, I don't know. And like I said, I like how it, screws tops like this. And so what the total cleanser does is, I'm gonna read on the back of this box so I make sure I tell you guys everything. It says it hyper cleans soft skin without stripping or drying, daily cleanser and makeup remover all in one. So it says use day and night to remove makeup, dirt, and impurities, and you wet your skin, working to allow the rinse and things like that. So I personally use this every night and morning, and I have used it to completely remove my makeup just to see how it works and see if it really does remove all the makeup. And it removes every single drop. Like I will go like this and take my lashes off, and there's not one strip of makeup left on my face. Whereas, sometimes use makeup wipes and there's still something, there's still makeup on your face. But this total cleanser really removes dirt, makeup, the whole 9 yards. It literally removes everything. And then the fat water, I really like. It's a toner, which, instantly is supposed to refine your pores and things like that. The Hydrovisor is a sunscreen. It's a chemical sunscreen. And I've never really been big into my skincare like that until I started using Fenty Skin. And I heard that chemical sunscreens aren't the best for your skin because it has chemicals in it or whatever. But this Hydrovisor is literally the best thing I've ever used. I suffer from really dry skin all the time. I used to wake up and my skin used to just have like, dry spots all over it. And Fenty Skin has literally just changed the game. And so we're gonna go ahead and get into the demo so I can show you guys what I mean when I say it has done a lot for my face, and that a little goes a very long way. Okay, so I know this is not the best angle, but I tried to get it as perfect as possible. So the first thing I'm going to do is wet my face, and then I'm going to go in with the total cleanser. So as you can see, as I'm squeezing it into my hand, it is a very creamy type feeling when it comes out. And then once you put the water into it, it soaks up and gives it that really lather feeling to make it really feel like it's cleaning your skin without stripping it. So next we're using the fat water, and I know the angle is still kind of messed up. I was still trying to play with it, so you can't see how much I'm putting on. But I usually just put 2 drops, and I just kind of let it seep into my skin. And like I said earlier, it's supposed to refine the look of pores, and it reduces the look of dark spots, even skin tone, and fight shine without stripping the skin. And what I also like about it is that I do not have to use a cotton swab or a cotton pad to put it on my face. I could just use my hands to put it up there. And the last step for the daily use is the hydrovisor. And I give it one good pump. And then I did use another smaller pump for a little bit more. But when I first used this, it did give me a white cast. Like I was using sunscreen and it made my face a little white. So I used a little less this time. But a little goes a very long way and keeps my face super moisturized and very shiny. Okay. So, I mean, overall, Fenty Skin, I feel like is a really great buy. I'm not being biased just because I love Rihanna, you know, and I'm not being paid for this. So, this is my complete and honest truth. I just feel like it gives my skin a natural glow to it. You know, there's no filter and everything. My skin is really just glowing, and I feel it's going to get better and better over time as I continue to use it and take better care of my skin. And I think it's really good. It works really well underneath my makeup. Um, you know, I use Fenty products, but so far for like my foundation, I've been using MAC, but everything else has pretty much been Fenty, and it just really, I feel like makes my makeup stand out because I'm not the best at doing makeup, but I feel like it just glows, like just makes my skin just glow. And I'll try to insert something in here with my makeup done or whatever, but yes, Fenty Skin is the best. You know, try it out. It doesn't work for everybody, you know, everybody's skin is not the same, but it works for me, and I feel like you guys should give it a try. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I promise I'll be back with more videos. I have so much to tell you guys with this, with what's been going on and things like that. So I will see y'all in the next one.